My name is Tristan Payne. I'm a senior software engineer at Emfluence. Today, I'll be showing you an example of how to use the Emfluence Marketing Platform's API to create a new contact, including custom fields and adding them to a group. I've used a PHP framework called Laravel for this demo. I've also used the Guzzle HTTP package to make the request to the REST API. Hopefully this demo will be helpful no matter what language or packages you're using. I'm going to display two files at a time to add some context to how things work. I'll keep the routes file open on the right and the template that contains the form on the left. The routes file tells Laravel basically what to do depending on what URL was hit. For example, if a user browses to the homepage of the website, Laravel will return the EMFL API form template, which is displayed on the left side of the screen. To keep this demo brief, I've decided to only deal with a handful of fields: email, first name, last name, favorite color. All of these fields will go in their respective fields within the marketing platform, except for favorite color. It will be inserted into one of the custom fields, custom 1 in this case. The form is currently set to send a post request to the contact save route on the Laravel app. If you look at the routes file again, you'll see that I created a route to handle that request. This route will start off by validating the input from the end user. If the data isn't valid, Laravel will automatically end the request and send back the errors for the form to display. If the validation does pass, an HTTP client is created to send the API request. I've passed the API URL into the base URI property and also a couple of headers. The authorization header should contain your unique API key used to interact with the platform. The content type header tells the platform API that the body of the request is a JSON string. Then, I mapped the various form fields to their respective fields for this API endpoint. The custom fields must be nested under a custom fields property. In this example, I've also decided to add the user to a group. Groups are specified using an array, even if only adding to one group. After the API has responded, the user is redirected to the thank you page. This is another route that just sends back a basic view template. Typically, this should be wrapped in some various status or response checking logic to make sure that the request was valid and accepted. Now, let's go ahead and test the form and then verify the data gets into the marketing platform as expected. I've pre-filled out the form, so all we need to do is submit. We got to our thank you page. Things seem good. Let's hop over to the platform. I'm already into the group that we were inserting the user into, so let's just refresh. Our user is now here, which means that they were definitely saved and added to the group. Let's open them up to make sure our custom field was added. And here you can see it says green. We are good.